What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to slow down or speed up a video in CapCut PC. So the first thing that we have to do is to bring our video to the timeline. This is a video of traffic that I got from Pexel. For this video I want to speed up only a part of it. So let's make two cuts and speed up this middle part. To speed up you just have to go to the speed tab. And here at speed tab you can increase the speed as much as you want. So let's put it on 2 times for now and see how it looks. And as you can see it's faster, it's 2 times faster. So let's move it to 10x and see it now. It's a lot faster than the original. Okay, and to slow down the video I will bring this one because it's a cool 3. Okay, I will slow down the first part of the video like so. I will make a cut here, and for this part we're going again to the speed option and we are going to decrease the speed. Let's make it 0.5x. Like so. And as you can see it's slowed down right now. This was the tutorial guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe the video.